Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the numericals based on path of contact, arc of contact and contact ratio. Our subject is what? Theory of machine 2. So in previous video we seen the derivations, that is what? Path of contact, again arc of contact and contact ratio. Based on these derivations or based on this formula we are going to solve the numericals. So we will see the numericals based on these derivations. Now this is what first numerical. Okay, problem number 1. I will read the statement or problem. Each of two gear in mesh has 48 teeth and a module of 8 mm. Means each of two gears in mesh has 48 teeth, means both gears having the same number of teeth, and a module 8 mm. This is a module is what? 8 mm. M is equal to 8 mm. The teeth are 20-degree involute profile. The teeth are 20-degree involute profile. This means what? Profile of gear to this what? Involute, and angle is what? 20-degree. That is what? Phi. The arc of contact is 2.25 times the circular pitch. The arc of contact, this is equal to what? 2.25 times of circular pitch. That is what? Arc of contact is equal to 2.25 into PC. That is what? Circular pitch. Determine the addendum. Here we have to find out the addendum, value of addendum. That means RA minus R. So see here solution. In that solution, first thing is that we have to write down the given data, whatever data is given in the problem. So there is what? The teeth are 20-degree involute profile. Here angle, that is phi angle, will be given. So phi is equal to what? 20-degree. Again in first line they are given that each of two gears in mesh has 48 teeth and module of 8 mm. So both these, that is small t stands for number of teeth on pinion, and capital T, this stands for number of teeth on wheel, or simply we can say here small t is equal to number of teeth on small gear, and capital T stands for number of teeth on large gear. Okay, so both are in smaller gear and large gear, number of teeth are same. So small t is equal to capital T is equal to 48 number of teeth. Okay, again they are given in first line, that is module is equal to 8 mm. So simply module is denoted by m, small m. So small m, this is module is equal to 8 mm. So what is the finding? We have to find out the addendum. So first thing is that we have to find out the radius of wheel and radius of pinion. So capital R is equal to small r is equal to m into t divided by 2. If the number of teeth will be different, then we have to find, there is a formula for capital R. The formula is like that: small m into capital T divided by 2. If we have to find out the small r, that is the radius of pinion, so here small m into this small t divided by 2. Small t stands for number of teeth on pinion. Okay, m stands for module. Okay, and the capital T stands for number of teeth on larger gear or wheel. Okay, so see here both are same, that is number of teeth are same. So directly we can write here small capital R is equal to small r is equal to m into t divided by 2. So m, put the value of m, what is the value of m? That is 8. Okay, again what is the value of t? That is 48 divided by 2. We got here r is equal to 192 mm. So next we have to find out RA. Now next we know that the number of teeth will be same. So addendum, radius of addendum for wheel is equal to radius of addendum for pinion. That is capital RA is nothing but what? Radius of addendum of wheel, and small RA, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Addendum radius of the pinion. Okay, now next finding is that in problem they are given one term, that is what arc of contact is equal to 2.25 into circular pitch. Okay, the arc of contact is equal to 2.25 times of circular pitch. So we can write here arc of contact is equal to 2.25 into value of circular pitch. So what is the value of circular pitch? That is pi into m. So we can write here arc of contact is equal to 2.25 into pi into m. We know that the PC is equal to pi into d by t. So d by t is nothing but what? M. So path of contact is equal to 56.55 into cos of 20. So value of 2.25 into pi into m. We know that the value of m, we know that the value of pi, this is what standard value will be there. Okay, if we multiply this 2.25 into pi into m, so we got here value arc of contact, this is what 56.55. This 56.55, this is nothing but what value of arc of contact. If we multiply arc of contact into cos of phi, we got here path of contact. Okay, so simply path of contact is equal to arc of contact into cos of phi. So we know that the value of phi, that is 20 degree. Again we already find out in previous one, that is arc of contact 56.55. so we got here the path of contact is equal to 53.14 mm. Now we have to find out the formula. We know the formula, that is what arc path of contact. So what is the formula for path of contact? Under root RA square minus R square into cos square phi minus R into sin phi. That is first term is what? Under root. Okay, RA square, that is what capital RA is nothing but what radius of addendum circle of wheel, and capital R is what radius of wheel. Okay, so and next is what plus under root small RA square minus R square into cos square phi minus small r sin phi is equal to length of path of contact. In previous one we find out, we can directly put the value, that is 53.14. okay, now in problem they are given that RA is equal to capital RA is equal to small RA. Okay, again capital R is equal to small r. So we can from the statement of the problem we can directly say here 2 times of under root RA square minus R square into cos square of phi minus R into sin of phi. Put the value of R here, again here. So what is the value of R? That is 192. I will put here the value of R. So we got here 2 times under root RA square minus 192 square into cos square of 20 minus 192 into sin of 20 is equal to 53.14. From this value we got here RA is equal to 202.6 mm, that is 202.6 mm. This is the value of RA. Okay, now we know that the value of R, and again we know that the value of RA, so directly we have to find out here addendum. So addendum is nothing but what RA minus R, that is RA is nothing but what addendum, radius of addendum of wheel, and minus R is what radius of wheel. So that is what 202.6 minus 192 is equal to 10.6 mm. This 10.6 mm is nothing but what addendum. This is what our final finding. Okay, the problem is solved. Now we are going to see next problem. This is what problem number 2. The problem number 2, the problem statement is that a pinion having 30 teeth drives a gear having 80 teeth. So pinion having the 30 teeth and the driving gear, that is wheel, having the 80 teeth. Okay, now number of teeth will be changed. The profile of gear is involute with 20-degree pressure angle. Okay, pressure angle is given, that is 20 degree. Okay, 12 module, again module is given, that is m is equal to 12 Okay, and 10 addendum. Okay, find out length of path of contact, arc of contact, and contact ratio. Now first thing is that we have to find out the length of path of contact. After finding this thing, we can find out directly, that is arc of contact, and again we have to find out the contact ratio. So first thing is that we have to we mention the given data, whatever given data. So write down first thing, given data. So what is given here? Small t is equal to 30, that is what number of teeth on pinion. Next, capital T is equal to 80, that is what number of teeth on gear, driving gear, that is wheel. Okay, again phi is equal to 20 degree, that is what the profile of gear is involved with 20 degree pressure angle, that is what phi. Okay, next again 12 module, that is m is equal to 12 Okay, again what is given? 10 addendum. Okay, therefore addendum is equal to 10 This is what given. Now we have to find length of path of contact. For that one, we must find out the radius of pinion and radius of wheel. So first thing is that we have to find out the radius of pinion. So see here, we note that P circle radius of pinion, that is r, is equal to small m into small t divided by 2. Okay, in previous problem we already seen that, that is what this small r is equal to small m into t divided by this 2. Okay, so see here, this value will be here. Put the value of m. What is the value of m? That is 12 into t, small t. What is the value of small t? That is 30. Okay, here will be there. Okay, divided by 2. So by calculation we got here r is equal to 180 Okay, this is what radius of P circle of the pinion. Okay, now next is what? P circle radius of gear. We have to find out these things. Okay, that is what capital R. So capital R is equal to m into capital T divided by 2. Okay, so we know in problem they are given the m. Put the value of module, that is m is equal to 12 into capital T, the number of teeth on gear, that is 80. Put the value 80 here, divided by 2. So we got here by calculation capital R is equal to 480 mm. 480 mm. Now radius of addendum circle of pinion. Okay, now radius of addendum circle of pinion is, that is what small ra is equal to, we know that small ra is equal to r plus addendum. Okay, so in earlier one we already find out the small r. So what is the value of small r? Put here. Again in problem they are given the value of addendum, that is 10. So small ra is equal to value small r is equal to 180 plus addendum plus 10 is equal to 190 This is what small ra. Next is what radius of addendum circle of gear. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Capital RA. So capital RA is equal to capital R, that is the radius of P circle of gear, plus addendum. So capital R we already find out, that is 480 plus this 10, this is equal to 490 This 490 is equal to capital RA. This is equal to radius of addendum of circle of gear. So we know that the path of approach, that is Kp, is equal to under root capital RA square minus capital R square into cos square phi minus capital R into sin phi. So we have all those values. We have the value that is capital RA. We have the value. We have the capital value of R, and we have the value of this phi. Okay, so put the values that is capital RA is equal to 490, that is 490 square, minus capital R value, that is 480 square, into cos square of 20 minus 4 into 2 sine of 20. So by calculating, we got here value 191.5 minus 164.2, so is equal to 27.3 mm. The 27.3 mm, that is what path of approach, length of path of approach. Now next thing is that we have to find out the length of path of recess. So length of path of recess is nothing but what? PL. First thing is that we find out the KP. Now we have to find out the PL. So PL is equal to under root small RA square minus R square cos square phi, now minus R into sin phi. So in bracket RA square, that is 190 square minus 180 square into cos square of 20 minus 1 into sin phi. So under root, what is the value of under root? That is 86.8 minus 61.5. We got here value 25 mm. This is what the value of length of path of recess. In previous one we find out the value of path of approach. Now here we find out the value of path of recess. By adding these two, we got here the length of path of contact. So we know that length of path of contact is equal to, that is KL is equal to KP plus PL. So put the value of KP plus and value of PL. So here 27.3 plus 25 is equal to 52.3 mm. This is what length of path of contact. Now next, by using this value, we have to find out the length of arc of contact. Okay, so we know that length of arc of contact is equal to, this is nothing but this is ratio of length of path of contact divided by cos of phi. So in previous one we already find out the length of path of contact. So put the value of length of path of contact here. So if we put the value here, value is put 52.3 divided by cos of phi. What is the value of phi? This is 20. If we put the value, we got here value length of arc of contact, this is 55.66 mm. This is what the answer. Okay, so in first thing we have there are three findings, that is what length of path of contact, length of arc of contact. We find out the first thing, that is length of path of contact. Now next finding is that length of arc of contact we already find out. Okay, now next finding is that contact ratio. So see here, contact ratio. This contact ratio is nothing but what? We know that circular pitch. For the contact ratio, we must find out the circular pitch. The circular pitch is nothing but what? Pi into m. So pi is what? Pi is having standard value, and m is what? Module. In problem, the module is given. So put the value of m here. So PC is equal to pi into m. Put pi is what? Standard 3.142 into m is given, that is 12. So we got here the value of PC is equal to 37.7 mm. Therefore the contact ratio is equal to length of arc of contact divided by PC. So put the value of length of arc of contact, that is 55.66 divided by 37.7, so is equal to 1.5. So we got here the contact ratio is equal to 1.5. Here all findings, we got the all findings, that is first is what? Length of path of contact, next is what? Length of arc of contact, and third one is what? Contact ratio. So problem is solved. Okay, in next video we will see another problems. Thank you very much.